Alright guys, you are welcome to today's tutorial. So in today's section of web design secrets, we will be looking at how to set up our WordPress website. Alright, how to set up our WordPress website. Now before you build any website, you must go through these foundational settings, alright, of building a website using WordPress. This is so that while you are building what you're building, you wouldn't really bother yourselves in some of these things. Okay, so after we must have bought our domain name and hosting and launched our website. Okay, now on your website link, what I have here is service.com.ng/tutorial. In your own, you could have something like your domain name only. I installed this thing in a directory. I explained this in the last video. Okay, so in a situation whereby you're using the local host as well, you just have localhost slash the name of the website you're working on. All right, so that's it. Now once you've gotten to this, my website, my professional website, using this place takes us to our dashboard. All right, now for us to the normal way for us to visit our dashboard is to add admin, right, to this place. This is the easiest way. Once you add admin to it, it takes you to the dashboard. All right, now if you are not really logged in to the website, it will ask you to log in. I want to blow your mind a little. Now, how do you know that a website is built using WordPress? The easiest way for you to know that a website is built using WordPress is to attach admin, that's forward slash admin, in the website URL. For instance, Crunchy's website was built using WordPress. Crunchies. And if I will get it, yes. All right, so Crunchies Fried Chicken Limited.com is the website, the official website for Crunchies, the Crunchies that we all know. All right, now it is interesting to know that Crunchies was built on WordPress. Okay, now we are here. This is Crunchies website. This is actually easy. We can try this. I think we could. We should actually try it while we're building this. Well, this is Crunchy's website, and this is what we have here. This is what we have here. Now, for you to know that a website, any website at all, is built using WordPress, you attach this to this slash forward slash admin. All right, forward slash admin. Once it takes you to the page for you to log in, the dashboard for you to log in, it shows that yes, this was built using WordPress. Now, as you can see, it is loading. Login Crunchies Fried Chicken. Now they're asking me to put my username and my password in order to have access to Crunchies Fried Chicken Limited. Okay, so this is the easiest way for you to actually get into the dashboard of your website. All right, so here we go. In the last tutorial, I was able to walk you through. I was able to walk you through to get into this point, right? All right. So I was able to walk you through the process of getting to dashboard, right? And like I said before, it is the same with the one online, the same with the one offline, and all that. Okay. Just that this light speed cage and loginizer security may not really be seen in the offline version. Okay, but everything is the same. All right, so let's proceed. After you must have gotten to dashboard. Now, just in case you're not comfortable with the password you've chosen for your website, what you do is to go to your admin, right? Edit profile. Now come down to this place. Then you set a new password. What you do is to change the password and update profile. Okay, so this is the first thing you do in case you want to do it. Now after that, the next thing we have to do is to delete unwanted plugins. All right. Now you can as well decide to delete this, but let's check let's check our okay. What I wanted you to delete have already been deleted. In your own, you would see a plugin called anti-spam plugin, right? Delete it in case you want to do that. Then after, you must have deleted all the plugins you don't need. Now mind you, if you are confused on what to delete, you just have to leave it. Okay, you just have to leave it. All right, so the next thing you do after you must have done this is to update your WordPress. How do you update your WordPress? You come to this icon here, click on it. This icon shows you different things in your website that you need to update. All right, now here you can find information about updates, how to set up to update, and all that. Now, current version of WordPress is what I am using. In a situation where I'm running a lower version of WordPress, I will be prompted to update my WordPress. Okay, now there is no point for me to update my WordPress. Now I'm checking all these things. These are called routine checks before you start building your website. So after that, the next thing we need to work on is our permalink. Okay, so you come to setting, you select permalinks. Now these permalinks, as you can see, we have the first one plain service.com.ng tutorial slash p whatever. These are has date and name. These are have month and name. This one is numeric. The one we are going to be working with is post name. Alright, so before we proceed, I would like you to understand this. Let's visit our website. Now here is our website. Now this is the default blog post that WordPress already did, like welcoming you to WordPress. Hello world, welcome to WordPress. This is your first post, edit or delete it, then start writing. Okay, so once I click on this hello world, you will notice what is written here: 2021 09/01 hello world. Now this is not a good way, or will I say this is not really the conventional way of website URL, right? Now what we have to do is to change that the and name to post name. So once you change the post name, save it, save changes. Now after we are done, come back to this place, visit your website. Now you can now select hello world. As you can see, we have tutorial slash hello world instead of tutorial slash 2021 and the rest of the datas. So this is okay, and we are good to go. Now after this, the next thing we need to do is to set our title and tagline. I have to go to the general settings, general under settings to set it. Now what we have here is my website. Okay, so remember I said something about building Crunch's website. Let me just write it, Crunch's. So let's say we are building from Crunch's. All right, so it'll be like the best fast food in Nigeria. As we proceed in this tutorial, I'll tell you what this site's title does. Okay, alright. Now, that's that about this. Date, format, time. Okay, we don't need this for now. So let's proceed. Save changes. Our the name of our sites have actually changed. This is not the spelling of Crunches. Let me correct it. Crunches. Here is updated. It is updated. So I will save it again. Then I can now visit my site. Now our site name has changed to Crunchies, the best fast food in Nigeria. Alright, so after you must have done this, you will notice that you've been able to walk around some places on our WordPress dashboard. Okay, so the next thing and the most important aspect of web design in using WordPress is the team. Okay, the team. So for you to install a team, you come to appearance, select teams. It is already running a team. That's why you are seeing what you're seeing. So we have um, 2021 team, 2019 team, 2020 team, and the rest. But that's not what we're going to be working with. In the course of this tutorial, we'll be working with different teams, both premium teams. Premium teams, I mean, are teams that you buy that are not free. Now we have hundreds and thousands of free teams online, but most of the times, what they offer you is limited. Nevertheless, we are going to be working with a cool team today, and the name of that team is called Ocean WP. So I'll go to add new, I'll go to search team, then I'll type Ocean WP. Okay, Ocean WP. Using this theme, you can build anything you want to build on WordPress. Alright, so before we install, remember to preview the theme that you're about to install, then install. You're installing. Alright, so after you must have installed, the next thing you do is to activate the theme you just installed. Okay, so we've been able to activate our theme. After activation, like I do tell people, you always refresh to know, maybe to see how the theme looks like. Now this is what we have. Okay, as you can see something about recent posts, hello world, admin, September, and all that. Okay, when WordPress was launched, WordPress was first introduced to the world as a blog website. Okay, now what's the difference between a blog website and a static website? A blog website are websites that changes regularly. Okay, like the content you see today may not really be the content you see tomorrow. All right, but a static website like this Crunch's website that we just visited, anytime you visit Crunch's website, anytime you visit Crunch's website, you always see the same thing there. Okay, so Crunch's website is actually a static website. All right, but as you can see, we don't have anything at all on this place. So in the next tutorial, I would be showing you how to um, set up your website as we just did, and also how to start building your website. Okay, so now as I was saying, the best fast food in Nigeria, and what we have here is this. You can achieve this, but we are going to be doing a so different thing in order to introduce you to every aspect of web design so that you can be able to build any website out there. Alright, see you in the next one.